so I'm going to say good morning. Just going out with the local group. Bit of a short ride just to get out really this time of year. So I'm on my way to Waltham. I think Dieter, Nelson and Jason Wade are both going to be there this morning. And let's see who else shows up as well. Well, it's 5th of January as I'm recording this. I'd just like to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Hope you had a good Christmas. And got plenty of riding in. Got time to see families. And for those of you who took part in the Festive 500 in 2018, hope you did well, hope you completed it or got further than you expected on your bike. So for the next 2 months I'm back home in Humberston before returning again to North Lincolnshire to Kroll, beginning of March. So for the next 2 months going to be hanging out with all the local groups. And for those of you new to my channel, and for those who haven't watched the last couple of videos, I'm taking part in Veganuary, I'm not sure how it's pronounced really. Veganuary, that rolls off the tongue easier. So I'm into my first few days. Started on the 2nd, to be honest. Had a family get together on the 1st. So turkey and all the trimmings, as much chocolate I could possibly eat. As for the vegan meals, they're going quite well so far. A couple days I've had couscous stuffed peppers. They were very nice. I'll show you some pictures on the screen. After yesterday's meal, made a bit of a vegetable chilli with peppers, garlic, kidney beans, corned meat, all those delicious things on a base of brown rice. It was really nice. As suspected, really, the most effort has been put into the evening meal. Breakfast, I generally have granola or muesli, loads of nuts, fruit chucked in, bananas, that sort of thing. So that one's already ticking that box already. Lunch, just replaced ham sandwiches with peanut butter sandwiches, took out the yogurt, bananas, normal, protein bar from Trek, it's like a flapjack, and still deciding what else I need to throw in the lunch box. If you've got any tips, you want to share any advice on what might make a good vegan lunch box, please do get in touch. On the subject of comments, love reading yours as always, so do keep them coming in. If you've got any questions as well, feel free to ask. Morning. Yeah, good, thanks Lee. Yourself?
You've been out with Grimsby Try?
Day of swimming last night. Yeah, I start going back there again. Hi Jay, all right?
Hi Ricky, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you as well.
Oh, we're back in the film.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Better do my eyebrows.
Hello there, you alright?
Fucking mudguards on my fucking bike.
I am Lucy.
Whisker, oh right, yeah.
Full name for the camera.
Where is John this morning? Is he hiding over there or something?
No, he's not allowed out today.
Is he not?
Father Christmas bring you
It's mountain biking. Where's he gone?
Dolby.
Dolby Forest. So Dieter, is your next bike electric then? Do you want to say that louder for the camera so it can pick you up? As I said earlier, I just got my bike back from a local bike shop. Gears been changed. Except they've done a cracking job of not testing whether I can get on the small ring or not. So for the next 2 hours I'm stuck on my big ring.
Cheers, GoPro.
Girls on top and at the back.
I've always wanted to appear in one of Ricky's legendary films.
So Dieter, tell me what this place is we're going to.
We're going to Elsham Cafe now, Ricky.
Elsham Cafe, I've not been there before.
It's very reasonably priced.
Is it?
Very, very good indeed.
It's got the first cafe stop coming up. The first and only cafe stop today. And seeing as though I'm in the middle of doing the Veganuary thing, the vegan thing, I think it's been some toast for me this morning. Morning.
Morning.
It's always good going somewhere you've never been before. Church Street. Here we are. Took the ride this morning.
Nice and steady.
Yeah.
Chilly, but nice and steady.
Counting your coppers today, Jace.
That's it.
Pretty much the same as well. What are we having?
Full works, mate.
You're going full Monty.
works, are you?
Full Monty.
Ah. Put on Big Hill here.
Beans on toast.
Beans on toast.
Yeah, I'm doing the vegan thing this month, you see.
So you're on the big road to get out of here. I think you've tried that.
Take care. See ya. See you in the spring.
Check that breakfast out.
96 rounds of toast to go with it.
That is huge.
What are you looking at, Ricky?
Here is the Lincolnshire gannet.
1 in a million.
How are you enjoying your ride, Ricky?
Yeah, it's really good, really smooth. Loving my new gears.
Good. Did a good job, didn't they?
Did a fantastic job. Come on, Paul, you can do it.